Amen. We cover over 100 miles, and we protect in the neighborhood of 40 miles plus. And this is our heritage, your heritage, and my heritage. And this is where our food has come. You think about it. Our food is because I'm a great descendant of Dr. Alice. My name is the Munchkin. And any munchkin you hear about, that individual is related to me. And my people tell me that I am the only one that has a dialect. But you don't know what I'm saying sometimes. So over the years, I have learned to talk so you can understand what I'm saying. My grandmother on my mother's side, you believe, so she came from Madagascar. We have not completed our history research to make sure, but we have acknowledgments from some of our people in the northern end of the country. And in Mackinac County, we have history from the north end of Mackinac County all the way to the south end, which is Butler Island and Harris Neck. And Harris Neck, our four people, the big people, and the Navy took our property 80 years plus. And they're still in the process of trying to acknowledge and own some of it. Butler Island, we were brought here from South Carolina and other neighboring countries to produce Butler Island. And Butler Island was called Rice King because rice was raised there. And that's where Butler Island and where my people lived. We never did own anything, but we did live there. And today, we are desiring to have some icon or building put there to say that we were there with the story. Because every day in my life, I am a story. Yeah. I am a story. Whatever may be happening, I'm telling you a story now. Because that's my story. Amen. They don't know our story because we're the story. We are being talked about more now because they need our story to tell their story, which we are the story because of them. I am so grateful that you choose to do your event here this weekend. It brings much joy to me to know that I can stand here and be a part of this because I have a connection. I have a connection. We have a connection. We we have a connection. And wherever we may be, I stood here, sat here, and my person right here looks so much like my neighbor across the street mother. Looks like her. And she's the first person that wanted me to tell her how old I was. And I wanted to know why was that so important. Tell her this, tell her this. Well, I am going on 85 years old. Wow. To me, it's a number. I have a birthday every day. Every day, I have a birthday. I celebrate one day out the year, and I learn to acknowledge it more because when I turned 80, my granddaughter wanted to celebrate and I told her like that. She told her mama, tell me, leave that alone because you were the only person we have in our family who touched it that day. So I learned to accept it as I thought before. And I give blessings to all people. Amen. And in my hometown, other than being Queen Mother Eunice, I have been an angel to most of my people because I learned how to help people from a child. And if you need me, I'm there. And I'm going to pray for you, whatever going through, as I have prayed for each of you as you took foot on this land. We prayed for the people there as they have allowed us to be here. I turned around and there was the lady to the door taking pictures, and I just waved, and she looked like all of a sudden she got shocked, and I just kept waving. And as we were sitting here, not being worn out, just excited and wondered, would you make it? A red bird came through. I says, oh, we're gonna have a good day. Don't worry, everything's gonna be all right.
Mhm.
I am going to pull. I have a combination of things, told story. Now I'm going to do the libations. And today I'm using a natural fruit. And my fruit from him is, you know what this is? It's coconut water. And it's water. Right. And right here, depending upon where I'm located, I, I here I always toss my sprigs of plant in the water. And I believe in doing live things because the water makes things grow. And when they grow, either they accommodate whatever color it is, and green is growth. And my person here is going to throw this. I think I broke my foot the other day, so I try awful. And as we stand here and reminisce on our foreparents, we send blessings to your country for the toils that you have shared and the toils that you still have to bear because of what somebody said. Bring these people to this land. Amen. And it's such a blessing to know that you had the opportunity to come to see what your people witnessed and went through as time was being done and passed. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna try and throw one in there.
Be careful.
I have to be very careful because in my life, there's nothing wrong with me.